Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Make sure your Xiaomi runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and that Google Play Services is present. Enable NFC in settings and set a secure lock, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint because Google Pay requires it. Install and open Google Pay from the Play Store. Grant permissions when prompted. Once done, tap Add a Payment Method and choose Card. Follow the on-screen prompts so your device is ready to register the card with the network. Now you'll add and verify your card. Type or scan the card number, expiry, and CVV, then confirm the billing address. The bank will send an OTP or ask for app verification. Enter that promptly to complete tokenization. Make sure Host Card Emulation, HCE, is supported on your Xiaomi so Google Pay can generate virtual cards for NFC. Once verified, set Google Pay as the default tap to pay app in settings. Finish by making Google Pay the default tap to pay app and perform a quick test at a contactless terminal. Hold the phone back of device to reader until you see confirmation. Keep receipts in the app and review recent transactions in Google Pay. If tap fails, make sure NFC is enabled, the screen is unlocked, and battery optimization isn't restricting Google Pay. Also update Google Play Services and clear app cache. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling NFC off and on plus rebooting often resolves token transmission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.